This is the flagship model of Shacman, the X3000. So it is equipped with the latest technology with regards to its engine. It's Cummins ISM Select with the maximum power of 440 horsepower and 2,080 Newton meter of torque. It is filled with features for comfort and convenience for our drivers, like sleeping beds for double and single. It does also have auto air conditioning, keyless entry, central door locks. Actually, it's really filled with good features, but behind that, it is also a heavy-duty truck. So it is we have variants for tractor heads, 10-wheelers, and even 12-wheeler rigid trucks equipped with rear bodies like a mixer tank or a dump truck. Yes. So we participated in this annual Transport and Logistics Expo, and this is one of the best way to launch our new flagship model. The authorized distributor of Shacman, but it's all-range trucks by Subida. We have branches in Dimasalang, Santa Cruz, Bulacan, Cabanatuan, EDSA, Quezon Avenue, and even in Calamba, Laguna. Yes.
In other parts of the Philippines po?
So far, we have in Metro Manila and in nearby Luzon provincial.